Have you ever wondered how the wealthiest investors keep getting richer, even while they sleep? What if I told you there's a secret investment strategy that doesn't just grow your wealth but pays you every single month like clockwork? The secret? Dividend investing. And today, I'm going to show you how you can start building your own path to financial freedom, even if you're starting with just $50 a week. By the end of this video, you'll see how this simple plan can grow into a $3 million portfolio paying you over $30,000 in monthly income. Does that sound like the kind of future you want? Let's make it happen. Hey everyone, Ernest here, back with another video. As always, I'm here to guide you through smart financial strategies that help you grow your wealth. I'm ACA and MBA, I'm not a financial advisor, please do your own research before investing. This channel provides educational information and entertainment to help guide you in making informed financial decisions. If you're new to investing or just looking for a way to build steady passive income, this video is for you. Today, we'll break down dividend investing, how it works, why it's such a powerful tool, and how you can start small but dream big. We're going to walk through what dividend stocks are, how to build a profitable portfolio, and the exact plan to turn $50 weekly investments into millions. So, what exactly is dividend investing? Simply put, it's when you buy shares in companies that pay regular cash payouts, called dividends, to their investors. Think of dividends as your share of the company's profits, sent directly to you. Here's the best part: you get paid without selling your shares. You can reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares. And over time, this compounding effect can lead to massive growth in your portfolio. It's like owning rental properties, but without the headaches of being a landlord. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you buy 100 shares of a company at $50 per share, and this company pays an annual dividend of $2 per share. That's $200 in dividends each year, just for holding the stock. Now imagine reinvesting that $200 into buying more shares. Over time, your dividend payments will grow larger, not just because you own more shares but because the company keeps increasing its dividend payout. This process, called compounding, is where the magic happens. It's the same principle Warren Buffett used to build his fortune. Now, you might wonder, why don't companies just reinvest all their profits? Great question. Companies that pay dividends are often well established, with stable cash flows and fewer growth opportunities. Instead of reinvesting every dollar, they reward shareholders by sharing their profits. Dividend-paying companies tend to be financially strong, reliable, and committed to creating value for their investors. Here's why dividend investing is a game-changer. Steady income stream. Dividends provide regular payouts, making them perfect for building passive income, whether you're working, retired, or just want extra cash flow. Compounding power. Reinvesting your dividends lets you buy more shares, which then generate even more dividends. It's a snowball effect that grows your wealth exponentially. Stability during downturns. Even if stock prices dip, companies with strong dividends often keep paying. This creates a cushion during tough market conditions. Long-term growth. Dividend-paying companies, especially dividend aristocrats and dividend kings, have a track record of consistent growth and financial health. Before you jump into dividend investing, you need a game plan. Here's how to set your goals. Define your purpose. Are you looking for passive income, long-term growth, or both? Set smart goals. For example, aim to generate $1,000 in annual dividend income within 5 years or grow your portfolio to $50,000 in 10 years. Understand your risk tolerance. Are you a conservative investor who prefers stability? Or are you willing to take on more risk for higher rewards? For this video, we're going to assume a goal of investing $50 per week into a well-diversified portfolio. Over time, this strategy will grow into something extraordinary. When it comes to dividend investing, you can choose between short-term dividend investing, focuses on high-yield stocks that provide immediate income. But beware, higher yields often come with higher risks. Long-term dividend investing. This is about patience and consistency. Build a portfolio of high-quality dividend stocks, reinvest your payouts, and let compounding work its magic. Let me show you why long-term investing is so powerful. Suppose you invest $10,000 in dividend stocks with an average yield of 4%. If you reinvest those dividends, your portfolio will grow exponentially. After 1 year, you'll earn $400 in dividends. After 10 years, your portfolio could grow to $22,000. After 20 years, that same $10,000 could become $48,000. Now imagine adding $50 every week. The growth becomes astronomical. Here's how to build a winning portfolio. Choose reliable dividend stocks. Look for dividend aristocrats, 25+ years of consecutive dividend increases. Examples: ABBV, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson. Diversify across sectors. Include stocks from industries like healthcare, utilities, and real estate. For example, REITs like American Tower provide steady cash flows. Use DRIPs, dividend reinvestment plans. Automatically reinvest your dividends to buy more shares, accelerating your portfolio's growth. Let's put it all together with a $50 weekly plan. By investing just $50 per week, or $200 per month, here's what could happen. After 10 years, your portfolio could grow to $38,000. After 20 years, you'd hit $383,000. After 30 years, your portfolio could soar to $3.5 million, generating over $30,000 per month in dividend income. That's the power of consistency and compounding. Dividend investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to start small and think big. With just $50 a week, you can create a financial future that pays you for life. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let me know in the comments below. What's your first dividend stock going to be? And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs to start their investing journey.